searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong, more than a shadow to all my sin. Now maybe it's time to step up, like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot amber lights. Try to be the word when you can't listen, I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm Wes, this is Tom. This is the Hippie Explorer. We explore New England looking for gold, telling you where it is, where it isn't. We just got up here at camp a little while ago. There's our tent. And it was a great night. It's early. Last night, we have a motion light up there on our, right there, on our tent. It's a motion light. And it kept going off. And I said, well, what's setting that off? So when it was on, I had my light and I'm looking around. And I saw something fly by. I thought it was a bat. But then it climbed up the tree. I saw it land on the tree and it climbed way up the tree. And as I'm shining my light on it, I see these eyes looking at me. And it jumps out of the tree and soars down. It looked like a flying squirrel.
Sugar glider.
He calls it a sugar glider. I've never heard of a sugar glider, but it looked like a flying squirrel. At night, never heard of that.
Big eyes.
It soared right at me. I had to duck. I was going for my light or something. Strange. But we better check with the Hip B. Weather don't look so good.
Hey, all you groovy dudes and you slap-heavy hippies. And you sugar gliders, too. they're groovy. I'm the Hip B, and I'm here to give you the weather. Let's go! I don't see no sun. Very, very cloudy. Might get some rain real soon. So you're gonna get wet. Make sure you bring a top. Now, I went out to buy a new bandana. A cameo bandana. Camouflage bandana. But I couldn't find them. Yeah, that's a good one.
Thank you, Hip B, for that wonderful weather report. We're going to go out and get breakfast. We're probably going to go over to Mills Market in Andover again because it was good. Yep. And then we'll reevaluate the weather after we eat. Let's go! Mills Market, but it was packed. Everybody in Andover was in there. So Hippie didn't want to stay. So we decided to go to McDonald's and have breakfast there. So we have our delicious Egg McMuffin. And we're going to have it. We're expecting rain today. So we're going to eat breakfast and then see what the weather's going to be like. We'll check the radar and go from there. Doesn't it look delicious?
Yeah, having it your way. Good.
Bob's huge bundles.
Get it before it starts raining.
Bob's got quite the selection out here. Look at that. And we've measured Bob's bundles, and it does appear he's got the biggest bundles in town. There he is.
We're here at Coos Canyon, and the doctors are here. John and
Arlene.
I should know that by now.
Yep.
Tyler.
Yep.
The doctors, they're fans. They drove all the way from Michigan to come up here. They watch our videos, and here we are, just like in the video. Well, it's great meeting you all, and I hope you
well.
enjoy your vacation out here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gonna find some gold.
Yeah. We're looking for a giveaway. You want to get one of these?
Yeah, let's do one of them for a giveaway.
Feel like choosing a melon.
And you get a feel, you got to get the one with a big rock in it. It's usually some
Big.
sort of crystal in it. Yeah. We're here at Coos Canyon Rock and Gift with Cheryl.
Morning.
Can you break 100? We got a giveaway. We're here at the Coos Canyon Rockin' Gift Shop. We got one of these great gem bags. And whoever wins this, you're gonna love them. They sell really well. Here's all kinds of goodies and a big surprise in every bag. So make sure you stay tuned. We'll tell you the secret word. We're gonna head back to camp because it's supposed to start pouring real soon. But we got some pay dirt back at the camp we're gonna take a look at. We'll meet you there. We're out here sitting on the East Branch with John Doctor and Arlene and Tyler. They're getting some material to process back at their camp because rain's coming in real soon. So we're hanging out, just enjoying watching. I'll put that in slow motion. It's just starting to rain. We were out on the river with the doctors, John, Dr. Arlene, and Tyler. They were collecting material to bring back to their camp to do under the awning because we're getting some heavy rain. We can see it on the radar. It's just starting now. But I noticed when they were out there that they didn't do a gold dance. How are they going to get gold that way? So I'm going to do one for them. down to the river, fill up some water, because we're going to do some pay dirt. And it's before it starts pouring, and I get soaked coming out here. Okay, I got the water in time. It started to rain a little harder. We're hiding under this top here at the table. And Tom's going to show us this pay dirt. What do we got? Wow. Thomas 907 pay dirt. We won that a while back on an Ayou guys prospecting giveaway.
It was his 500 subscriber giveaway.
It was his 500th subscriber giveaway. Look at that. 1/4 gram of gold in there. So and it's from Alaska, up there in Wasilla, Alaska. So it should be interesting. So let's get set up and we'll do that and see what have some fun here. Let's see. Let's see what's in this. All the way from Alaska. Okay, we're gonna... Ooh, look at the dust. It's nice. You know it's not washed. Okay, that's about it. We have littles and bigs. Now I'm gonna look through the bigs real briefly here, just to see if there's anything that I can see with my eye. And nothing pops out. Nothing pops out. We'll move that out of the way and we'll bring this in. And this is water I got from the river. Let's fill it right up. They're doing construction down the road, so you hear trucks all the time going by. As you know, because we went down there last week and dug in the construction pit. And rolled down and fell in. I've got my surface tension breaker, a few drops in there. That'll keep any fine gold from floating. Because gold is hydroponic and it will float because it'll shed the water that's on the top and any little air pocket underneath. So it's kind of odd that it's like that. Gonna shake that down good. Get it stratified. Yeah. We'll see what we can find. I did a gold dance earlier, so not only for me, but for the doctor family who was out on the river. These are the bigs. Keep that gold down the bottom by shaking it. Wash that top off. I'm going to go one more time and then we're going to take a look at it. Okay, that'll be good. Let's see what we got in here. Let me shake it down this way. And then we'll do it for you. I'll do it backwards.
I wouldn't expect to find anything in there that size.
Oh, but I do see a piece.
Oh, really?
I actually see several pieces.
That's nice.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Those were in the bigs.
That's pretty nice.
That's pretty nice. Now, I got my snuffer. Let's suck that up. Now we got the littles. Got some littles in there. There we go. Shake it. Get that gold down to the bottom. This could be fine stuff, so I want to take this one slow. Because if you imagine the gold sinking down to the bottom corner down here when you shake it, so if you shake it and bring it to the edge like that, if you just take off that front part, you should be fairly safe. Okay? And then do it again. Shake that gold down. Getting down to the nitty gritty here. Do one more time and then we'll see.
Don't forget we got that nice giveaway today.
Yeah, nice giveaway. We're gonna have a secret word for him. Do you know what that is yet?
How about doctor?
Doctor. There you go. Here's your secret word.
Since we met the doctors today.
We met the Doctor family.
I can't believe that, all the way from Michigan, and they spotted us with Rosie at the Raccoon Canyon rest area.
They watch our videos in Michigan, and they've been watching for a long time. We recognize the names. They've been commenting. And they came out this way because they saw our videos and they wanted to, explore the area. And we bump into them. That's amazing. All right, let's see. I'm going to put some cleaner water in here, like that. And we'll work it down. I'll try to work this backwards.
Yeah, I can see a little row of it from here.
Couple trying to get away. Wow, that's some fine stuff. It's tough when you're trying to do it backwards, but we're almost there. That one there. Keep trying to get away. But there's a good look at it right there.
Pretty nice.
Well, let me suck that up, and then I'll clean this up one more time, and I'll put it all in a pan. We'll take a look at it. I just got to clean a little bit more. I took some black sand here up with it, and we'll show you what it looks like. I don't have my scale with me. I didn't take it with me, I don't think. Did we bring a scale?
I don't think so.
No, so we're not going to weigh it. We're just going to show you what we got. There you have it.
Not too shabby there. It's all nice size gold.
Yeah. Thank you, Thomas and Ayou guys. So thank you, Charlie. And thank you, Thomas. I'm going to suck it up. That was a fun pay dirt to do. I wish the bag was 3 times bigger.
But I think it's time for a nice coffee. Not an iced coffee, a nice coffee.
I think it'd be nice if someone made us a coffee.
Yeah, we're going to go over and see if Rosie has coffee. I think she does.
She definitely has coffee.
A lot closer than going into Rumford. So we're going to go get a coffee over at Rosie's and maybe find a crumpet or something. Let's go. Rainy day, we're hanging around at Rosie's. She needs a canopy down that end where she does the demonstrations. We're sitting here having a fresh coffee. Rosie's down there giving her panning demonstration in the rain. We're sitting here having our river crumpets and a coffee.
Lemon cake.
He's got the lemon, I got the cinnamon swirl.
She's got really good coffee.
Good coffee. Good thing to do in the rain, sit here and watch the people pan and people come in and out. Watching the logging trucks go by. We're back in the tent. I wanted to check the tent because I had put waterproofing on all the seams because I was getting a drip. I was getting a drip through this hole here, which is from the chimney ashes. And now that's fixed. I put a patch on both sides. And one of the seams on the other side, it was slow drip. But I sprayed all the seams with Scotch Guard waterproofing, and now it has fixed any drip that was there. And we've gotten a lot of use out of this, huh?
Yeah, a lot of use.
We've stayed over 100 nights in it easy. And we take it up, set it down, we put it away wet sometime, and it's been doing well. So I can't complain. We just had to put a waterproofer because that breaks down after a year or so. And so far, we're high and dry. I took a nap. I hit that cot as soon as you hear the rain. On a cool afternoon, you get a nice blanket on you. Out cold. But we got a premiere tonight. So we're going to run into town and watch the premiere. Let's go. We are sitting here at the Rumford Rest Area. We've got this delicious pizza from the Rumford House of Pizza. They make good pizza there. And we're going to be watching the premiere here. How's the pizza?
Really good.
Look at that.
They have great sausage.
Yeah.
Sausage.
Good flavor. We're going to be watching the premiere here, so we're going to eat our pizza and we'll be back when the premiere starts. Here we are. Who's in the premiere there tonight? It's just about to start in a few minutes. Who's in the chat tonight?
Got Boredom Busy, Carl Miller, Chris Potter, Chuck Elder, Digging It, Gold Panner, Joel Euchre, Joseph Knowlton, Robert Anderson, William Christian.
Wow, some early birds. We're sitting here in Rumford watching the premiere. I'd like to take this time to thank our members, those who hit that join button, and also those who shopped at thehipbee.com. These names you see on the screen are those members, and they are special people. These people help us to continue making these videos. If you'd like to be on this screen, visit thehipbee.com and make a purchase, or hit that join button and become a member. Thank you. Here we are. We're back from the premiere, and it's nice and toasty in here. We got the little buddy heater going. It's chilly out and it's been raining, but we're dry in here. The sealer worked. We were getting a drip over here last time it rained and we were in here. So I sealed all the seams and dry as a bone. We had that giveaway, first of all. That gem bag we're giving to a lucky winner. You just gotta know the secret word, which we told you about earlier. Use that secret word in the comments down below. And make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you're a subscriber. Check, because sometimes YouTube kicks people off for no reason. And we came back to camp and did that pay dirt from Thomas 907. It's a great pay dirt. And we won that from Ayou guys, prospecting. Check out both their channels. There's very interesting stuff going on over there too.
We hung out at Rosie's today, had a coffee in the rain.
Had a coffee in the rain, hung out at Rosie's over there.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. I don't mind the rain today because it was 6 straight days of digging and I needed a break. My back needed a break. So the rain came. We needed water because the rivers were real low, and I can already hear the river out there running harder than it was. So that'll be good. Well, thank you for coming along. Don't forget to check out the hipbee.com. You can get all those delicious honey candies and honey beehive products, candles, things like that. You can also get prospecting equipment. And if you can't get enough of us and you want to see the behind the scenes and the members only videos, hit that join button and become a member. And you can get access to all of them.
Special thanks to Rosie.
Special thanks to Rosie.
Who's can you rocking gift?
They've been laughing at me all day because yesterday we went down into the construction site, or I rolled down into it. The ground just gave way.
As soon as we get there, he goes rolling down.
He didn't have time to get the camera going, so they didn't catch it. But they enjoyed it.
It wasn't
nonetheless. They were kind of horrified at first because, you know, it was a long way down and I couldn't stop. So that's about it. We'll see you next week, Wednesday, 7:30.
Peace.
Peace.